So in this part of the project, we focus on automated testing. Automated testing is a software testing technique where test cases are executed automatically using testing tools instead of manual interaction. The main purpose of automated testing is to reduce repetitive manual work, improve testing accuracy, and ensure system reliability, especially for frequently used features. So let's move to slide 2. For this project, we selected Cypress as our automated testing tool. Cypress is a modern end-to-end testing framework designed specifically for web applications. We chose Cypress because it is easy to set up, provides real-time test execution, and allows us to directly interact with the browser, making debugging faster and clearer. So to begin automated testing, we first set up Cypress in our notebook or our laptop. The setup process includes installing Node.js, installing Cypress using npm, configuring the Cypress project, and setting the base URL to connect with the Django student management system. After that, we run the Django server and launch Cypress using the command npx cypress open.
Ridiculous. I'm sorry.
Oh, that's all right.
Ridiculous. I'm sorry.
Oh, that's all right.
I see. Well,
So this slide shows the Cypress project structure used in our system. Each task file inside the Cypress E2E folder represents our specific functionality or field, such as adding a course, validating email input, or searching data, and so on. This structure helps us keep task cases organized, easy to maintain, and scalable for future testing. So this slide shows the Cypress project structure used in our system. Each task file inside the Cypress E2E folder represents our specific functionality or field. So for automated testing, we did not automate all test cases. Instead, we selected only the most important and high-risk functionalities, such as add course, add student, and search functions. These features were chosen because they involve frequent user input, data validation, and are critical to system integrity. Automating these test cases provides the highest testing value instead of doing it manually. So in this slide shows a simplified example of Cypress test script. The script starts by visiting the login page, entering admin credentials, navigating to the target page, inputting test data, and finally verifying the system response. Each step represents how a real user interacts with the system, but executed automatically by Cypress.
This slide shows the results of the automated testing process. The results are presented in a pie chart to clearly show the percentage of pass and failed test cases. Based on our execution, the majority of automated test cases pass successfully, indicating that the system performs well for critical functionalities. From the test results, we'll observe that most input validation and core features behave as expected. However, a small number of test cases failed due to missing validation or unclear error messages. Overall, the automated testing results were consistent with the manual testing outcomes. Slides summarize the failed automated test cases and our recommendation. For example, some fields accepted invalid input without displaying an error message. To improve the system, we recommend implementing stronger input validation rules and providing clear error messages to guide users. In this comparison, we can see that manual testing is flexible and useful for exploratory testing, but it is time-consuming and prone to human error. On the other hand, automated testing is faster, repeatable, and ideal for regression testing, although it requires initial setup and scripting knowledge. Therefore, combining both methods provide the most effective testing strategy. In conclusion, automated testing using Cypress successfully validated the critical functionalities of the student management system. It improved testing efficiency and reliability while reducing repetitive manual effort. For future work, we recommend expanding automated testing coverage to additional modules and integrating it into continuous testing processes.